Om Pranam, Dr. Vimal Saxena, and welcome you all in my channel, wherein we are trying to discuss and find out the solutions of the major issues nowadays happening, issues related to health, issues related to mental wellness with the help of Ashtanga Yoga. Now, this Ashtanga Yoga, 8 limbs, principles of this Ashtanga Yoga, if we are practicing in every day, we will feel the difference in our entire body, in our entire mindset. Today's video is going to be pretty tough, I would say. The disclaimer, not tough, but it is specially designed for your core. Now, everybody wants to make six-pack abs. Is it really easy to make six-pack abs? Is it really so magic to create a six-pack ab? No, it requires a lot of things. But these exercises which we will be doing today, they're going to help a lot to make your core better, make your digestive system better, make your metabolism better in order to gain strength and have the fit body. So today we will be performing 2 asanas. One is Padavrittasana, another one is the Dvichakrik asana, the leg circle asana and the cycling asana. These 2 asanas, we will see the different variations, how you perform it. You will feel the core, your abs work out. Of course, let's see how these can be performed. So as the continuation practice of our, we need to understand about the benefits, the contraindications, and then the demonstration. So benefits, if I talk about these asanas, both the asanas, Padavrittasana and the Dvichakrik asana, are pretty much beneficial to keep your core strengthened, keep your internal organs strengthened, keep your metabolism strong, which helps you ultimately for your digestive system and for overall immune of your body. Contraindications, if I talk about, anyone who has got any kind of surgery in past 6 months, avoid doing this. Anyone has got the acute lower back pain should not do this, because today's video will be mostly for your lower part of the body. Rest all people can do it. Of course, pregnant women avoid doing these 2 asanas. Rest all people can do it. Okay, so let's do this practice. For this, you need to be lying down on floor on your back. So first, we will perform Padavrittasana. Vrit means circle, Pad means leg. So we will try to make circle from our leg, right? So keep your hands near to your body. You have to breathe in. So we will do first with one leg each, then with both the legs. So let's start with the right leg first. Breathe in, taking your right leg towards right, up, back. This is one round. Breathe in, breathe out. Second round. Same, now we have to go to the other way around. With the same right leg, breathe in, breathe out. Let's do one more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Making balance is important whenever we are doing with any one part of the body. Let's try to do it with the left leg. Breathe in, breathe out. Try to create the big circle. Breathe in, breathe out. The other way around. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. You will start feeling your pressure on your abs, your core, or on your hamstrings. You can do it with both the legs together. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. The other way around. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So this was the entire Padavrittasana leg circle asana. If you will be able to do at least 5 repetitions, you would feel the difference in your body, in your abs, pressure on your abs, in your core, and of course on your hamstring also. Along with this, we will do one more asana today, as this is power pack video for your lower part of the body. This is Dvichakrikasana, cyclic asana. That also we can do with one leg first. So bend your legs. Let's start the right leg first. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Make sure your knee is straight when it's up. Your toes are pointed. You can do it 5 times, 6 times, whatever is convenient to you. In the beginning, I would recommend do it 5 times. Then we can do it both the legs together. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Avoid keeping your leg on floor. Breathe in, breathe out. Now reverse. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. After doing this, a compulsory Shavasana, Yoga Nidra. This distance in your leg, your hands near to your body, palms towards sky. Close your eyes and have at least 10 to 20 seconds of Shavasana practice. So this is something which is intended to make in today's video. You do this practice, you will feel the difference in your body, in your core specifically. It helps in your metabolism system, in your digestive system, keeping the health of your internal organs. Padavrittasana, Dvichakrikasana. Remember, do it with cautions. Savdhaniya have to be there when you are doing this, contraindications which we have spoken about. Let me know the difference if you are feeling or not, if you have any questions on this. Now it's time for tip of the day. So if you really want to make your six-pack, there's no magic which can help you to create your six-pack. It requires the combination of a lot of things. And if someone is coming and telling you that you can make the six-packs in 6 months or 3 months, they're either trying to play with your emotions or they're just trying to promote themselves. There's no such thing which can help you to get the six-pack body in 6 months. Not possible. It requires a combination. The exercise along with a good diet can only help you out. So in today's tip of the day, I'm going to help you out with one remedy, home remedy, which can help you out with your digestive system, improving your metabolism system, right? So you have to take 4 things. One is your carom seed, ajwain. Second is cumin, jeera. Third is fennel, sof. And fourth is cardamom, elaichi. So take carom seed, ajwain and cumin, jeera in the equal quantity, maybe 1 spoon each. Half of the spoon sof, fennel, and half of the spoon is green cardamom, elaichi. So need to roast a bit these 3 things: cardamom, cumin, and carom seeds. You have to roast a bit. Once they are dried, then make a fine paste of this. You can grind in the mixie, add the cardamom over this, and in the night after the food, you take 1 spoon of it, chew this, and have some sips of warm water, not the hot water, but the warm water. Do this for at least a week or 2 weeks. You will feel the difference in your digestive systems. So that's it for today. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Remember, we have discussed earlier also that whenever you are doing any exercise, try to do the warm-up exercises earlier. We have already created a video for warm-up exercises, yogic jogging. Do that. After that, you perform any kind of asanas. Thanks for watching. See you in some other videos. Thanks. Om Pranam.